Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video we will see a new recruitment, off campus recruitment from the IBM company. Previously IBM was hiring for associate system engineer and associate technical engineer. Now again IBM is hiring for the software developer position. This is mainly for fresher as well as experienced candidates up to 3 years. Okay, so we will check other criteria. Here you can see the IBM company information. If you want to read, please read at least once. Your roles and responsibilities: the candidate is responsible for design, development and maintaining database in support of client requirement, evaluating and processing a client data feeds and generating production deliverables. Okay. In the previous video as well as in many videos I already told you that what a software engineer or basically what a software developer do, what are the responsibilities like design, maintain, execute, deployment, coding, debugging, testing. All those things will be the responsibilities as a software developer. Okay, so same as the same responsibilities they have mentioned here. You can see validation test, support user acceptance testing is as needed. Then investigate and resolve data quality issues during testing, consistently deliver usable databases on time and within budget while conforming to client expectations from for content and quality. For each update, execute all data management test cases, document result, obtain requisite sign off and work on resolving any failed test cases prior to proceeding with the update. Okay, then gain understanding of tools, commercial and proprietary tools such as Trex, Data Stage, Data Probe, Advantage Suite, Data Profiler, Data Model Manager and other applications. But I will suggest you, if you don't have any knowledge on these Trex, Data Stage, Data Probe, Advantage Suite, please search on the Google and try to gain some knowledge. Suppose if interviewer asks you on this, then you can give a very good and proper answer to them, and there will be a more chances to get select in the IBM company. Okay, so required technical and professional expertise: 0 to 3 years of experience required. If you are a fresher, still also you can apply. There is no restriction of any pass out batch. If you are from suppose 2018 batch or 19 batch, still also you can apply. If you are having experience up to 3 years, then also you can apply. Then they need a basic technical aptitude, database and healthcare knowledge on ETL, data warehousing. If you don't know about ETL, then please search on the Google. If it might ask in the interview. Okay, so that's why I'm suggesting you intermediate PC skills, effective communication skills to communicate with the team and internal external customers, problem solving skills to identify and resolve issues and escalate as when necessary to be able to handle technical and domain challenges, personal effectiveness and self motivation to work on independently and gain proficiency at work. Okay, so all these this is the technical requirements. Prefer technical and professional expertise: bachelor in computer science, engineering or statistics or comparable experience. Okay, so if you are a candidate, bachelor candidate from CS, IT or engineering candidate, statistics, then you can apply. Knowledge on relational or other databases, RDBMS, DBMS, yeah. Python basis to intermediate. Suppose if you have knowledge on Python, a basic knowledge, that is also sufficient. But before that, let me tell you, definitely they will provide you training, and based on that training they will assign you the project. So don't worry about that. I don't know Python, what should I do? No worry about that, they will provide you the training. Okay, and knowledge on the cloud. Okay, so please apply for this position. Click here to apply for this position. If you don't have an account on IBM career portal, then please create. First register yourself, then log in, then apply. Okay, so please apply, don't miss this chance, and thanks for watching this video.